This is Tennis Wacko and JT Jogo Bonito. Today we're doing the 7x7 team blindfold solve. What the hell is he doing behind me? I don't know. So, no, I'm just kidding. We're doing the 3x3. So, alright, go ahead.
Alright, okay. D, F2, UI, and we'll go from LI, B, L, U2, LI, UI, B, UI, LI, L, B, I, U, LI, U2, L, U2, LI, UI, L, U, FI, U2, F, B, B2, B, UI, B, move. You have the HOLL set up right, like that. J.
J is this one.
Yes.
Wait for it. Woo! 52.78. I'm sure you can't see that because my camera sucks. Good job. Yeah.
That was peace.
Okay, so here Tennis Wacko and JT Jogo Bonito, and today, guess what? We're doing the 7x7 team blind. You know what? Do it again.
That was